So today I'm gonna show you how to make a mask like the one I'm wearing. Hi guys, so it's very simple. You just need rubber bands and you need a stapler and you need a kitchen roll. Okay, so the first step is to fold it like that, then do that. And fold it over and over and over again until it reaches the other side. Okay? Okay. And voila! Now we'll get our stapler and our rubber bands. So we'll first just, kind of do that. Put the rubber band inside there, fold it, and grab your stapler and boom, there's one, which can move because we don't want it stapled. And then we'll just get another rubber band and do the same thing. Okay? And we'll pass it through there. And then we'll close it. And as we did with the other one. Okay, so we'll just pass it until it's there, and boom! There we have it. Just make sure, guys, to leave the rubber band a lot of space, so if you need to move it around, you can. And then just, open it. Like blurry the size. Okay, then we'll... Oh, come on, rubber band, you gotta be... Sorry. Hi, guys, now we just have to put it on by opening it up and do that. Put it on your ear. Like that. Okay, there we have it, a mask.
What is this mask for?
It's for not getting the coronavirus.
Saluda.
Anyways, cut.